I've been exploring the Rooted mental health app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Rooted is a mental health app designed to support people dealing with anxiety and panic attacks, offering quick relief tools alongside longer-term coping resources. It targets users who want something approachable and structured to use on their own. Core features include a panic attack SOS button, guided breathing exercises, visualizations, sleep sounds, and a simple journal to track moods and triggers, all meant to be used in real moments of stress or as part of a daily routine. Lessons explain what anxiety and panic are, which can make symptoms feel less mysterious or frightening, and there is also an emergency contact option for quickly reaching someone you trust. However, it's not without flaws. Most advanced content, such as additional lessons and visualizations, sits behind a subscription or paid upgrade, which may put off users on a tight budget, even though there are free tools available. Some users may also prefer more personalization or live human support, which the app does not provide directly. On the upside, Rooted holds an Editor's Choice badge and a strong 4.8 out of 5 rating from about 9.9 thousand reviews, with many praising its calming design and the usefulness of the panic button, breathing, and sleep tools in everyday life. Overall, if you value having an accessible, guided companion for managing anxiety and panic attacks on your phone, Rooted is a solid choice, especially given its positive user feedback and variety of coping tools. If you need intensive therapy, real-time professional support, or prefer completely free access to all features, you may want to treat Rooted as a helpful complement rather than your only solution. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.